We also some scam online promising you to make free money with here, for example, 0.05 Ethereum every 2 minutes. But this one is a little bit different because the views organics on YouTube are just going up and up. And when you check the comments, it's only positive things after positive things. If I try to find scam, I will not find anything except here. And that's the thing. There is like nobody talking about getting scammed, and it is a pretty good passive income. The comments are insane. My video editor asked me to do a video about it. And when I asked him, but isn't it a scam? He said it should be, but the comment section seems good. So let's do it then. We're going to do a video about this and review what's happening in this video. Hi, by the way, welcome to Hands Up Finance. We will study what's happening on chain because the blockchain is the open ledger, but also we study the code because we can read the code and understand what's happening on it. So don't forget to put on your little matcha and let's get to it. Let's get that passive income money. The video is 14 minutes and promises to win 0.05 Ethereum every 2 minutes, which makes $120. For this, we are going to use the AI because we are on a channel made by the French guy. So we will have $3,600 per hour and we could make almost $100,000 per day. That seems like a pretty insane deal. And let's see how to do this. Hello, dear friends. The guy's got a better intro than me. First, 1 second.
For earning the Ethereum cryptocurrency, earnings come from the automatic processing of transactions on the Ethereum blockchain network and receiving profits in the form of transaction fees.
This is so well made. Look at that. The video is playing. Withdraw all profit. Boom. Oh, we get a window that shows us like, okay, withdraw the profit. This is smart. Like if you've ever been into the scam industry and you're like, this is smart, this is good. So I'm going to show you how it works and everything around it because I'm not going to play a video for 14 minutes. We don't have time for that. I mean, some of us have, but some don't. Let's get a summary of our video. So we need to create a MetaMask account, okay? Launch the source code. So visit the specific website, copy the entire code. Perfect. Paste the HTML section of your choice to modify the display. Upon launching, connect. Okay. Login, click connect. Create a second MetaMask account. Serve as your profit generating account. Okay, this can be also add account. Confirm liquidity. Deploy an embedded liquidity smart contract with the Ethereum blockchain transaction pool. This doesn't make sense here. And then input your second account address. Okay, transfer the Ethereum, confirm the liquidity transferring specific amount from your main. Check the transaction status. And start earning profit. That's it. Activate the liquidity and withdrawal process. Awesome. We're going to do this together. So to highlight how to do this, I'm going to use a specific device called a virtual machine. So that's just another computer, but it's just somewhere. This one happened to be in New York. I'm in Thailand. And I'm just renting this computer. So I can do whatever I want and then I will destroy the computer. Like this, my phones are safe. I loaded $50 on this MetaMask account just to be sure of what we are doing. Now to get all the information, we need to download MetaMask, copy the source code here. In the video, they ask us to run the code into CodePen. CodePen, to explain you, is just a cool website where you can see what the code will look like and then execute it right in your browsers. For example, here I just have some HTML and some CSS and it execute this. So I have my code here, and this seems quite an innocent code at the first look. You'll be okay. I see this. Okay, it seems fine. All right, like it's just a script, right? It's just a script. So what am I to risk? Let's copy this text and then execute it on a virtual machine. That's where I have to be careful. A virtual machine is not expensive at all. Like they didn't sponsor this video, so I'm not gonna tell you which one I use, or maybe I will. But like for example, you see, I use it for different things. Like we have a bot that buys before everyone else on the Discord server or Telegram. That's where usually we run our stuff. Let's put the same view as it got. And now they ask me to connect. So I think my MetaMask is connected. But this is the moment where I click connect and maybe my wallet get drained, or we're going to make this money. What are you thinking at this moment? All right, MetaMask opens on the side, connect, CD address account, balance, activity, and suggest transaction to approve. Okay, I confirm. Oh, whoa. I'm going to create the second account. So scared. I put like $50 on it. So I know I'm not going to make this back with this YouTube video. Add an account, add an Ethereum account. There you go, I create passive income, baby. We follow the process. And then after we're going to study the code. We attach, click the button deploy. I'm going to click the button deploy then. Waiting. What is he waiting for? Ready. I'm excited. Maybe I should have watched the full video. All right. My contract is deployed and ready. So I should be able to attach my second address now. Ready. So we're going to click confirm. And now you feel, as I feel, that, oh, wow, we start to be really into this. We had different buttons. Bastards! They don't even wait. They don't even show me. Oh, God. How could they do this to me? That's exactly that. Like, they're asking me to send from this wallet to here. And I want the free animation. I'm not going to let them on this one. We're going to wait a little bit. Like, whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on? Ready. I attach. I want the animation. If I don't have the animation, I will be like so disappointed. So how does he get it?
See, the liquid button became active.
Okay, liquid button.
Button and start your profit. And now we can see that the Ethereum profits begin accruing. Now let's verify this cryptocurrency transfer operation in MetaMask. And also see the size of your liquid smart contract, which matches 1.7542 Ethereum.
The size of your liquid smart contract. It's just a bunch of buzzwords that don't make any sense together.
The very same amount is in your MetaMask account. So you've gained stable income without risk, without financial investments, and with earnings every second.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You say with earnings every second. I thought it was every 2 minutes. You lied to me. It's every second.
Table below displays.
So that's the transaction, sending Ethereum.
Again, and wait for the operation to complete. So the confirmation operation.
Wow, you know what? We not gonna do with these amounts because, hey, error. At least they work. They have errors. I'm going to send with less money. Let's try to confirm our transfer again. I hope they adapted the amount to my new transaction. Perfect. It's loaded. So actually, they just check my balance all the time. And I'm going to be able to send it. Error, a small amount of liquidity. Please write me via Telegram. Only trust crypto. My name, John Mary. Oh, God. John Mary. This is getting better and better. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Doesn't even launch the code. I have the error here. We are not going to give up. I want this code to be beautifully executed in my browser because I believe in John Mary. I believe in him. Customer support of John Mary is pretty bad. So I'm sending a little bit more crypto to be able to pay for gas. And normally we should be able to make another transfer. Transaction confirmed. I'm going to click confirm here. Okay. We have a window happening here. It asks me to send everything I have again. $7. I'm pretty sure it's going to tell me it's not enough again. I wanted this liquid button to happen, but it wouldn't let me. This is so smart how they do this, though. Like, you're going to understand why it's smart. I don't think we're going to be able to see the animation. I'm really disappointed. I wanted to show this beautiful animation. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. John Mary, you let us down. You let all the nation, all this world down. How could you do this to me? All right. Both of our transactions got sent to this wallet address, and we're going to study this. I'm back on Mac. Feels better than ever. So, first thing first, before checking how much money they make, the code here is something really important. It seems like innocent code, but that's where it gets tricky. Because all those functions are what we call obfuscated. You don't know what those functions doing. They're calling those functions from somewhere else. And that's the problem. Now, most of the browser extension, they will let you know, like when you execute the code somewhere and you're trying to connect, like, oh, you should be careful. But because they use CodePen, which is a legitimate website and where you can test different things and execute whatever code you want, because we are literally saying to the browser, I want you to execute this code. It's not like I open a page. So that's a different behavior, and that will not get triggered by any of the wallets I have. And when I ask, for example, just an AI to analyze the script, it says, I apologize, but I cannot recommend or assist with analyzing this code. It appears to be potentially malicious script designed to manipulate cryptocurrency transactions without the user's full knowledge or consent. Some concerning aspects include obfuscated code and functions, attempt to interact with Ethereum wallets and initiate transaction, misleading UI elements, and deceptive transaction flows. Hidden operation occurring in the background. So just ask the AI all the time. So there we go. We got the obfuscation here, the functions, they're here. We can see some JavaScript executed, Ethereum request accounts. So that's exactly what we do. Hidden transaction, the platform transaction, and then manipulation of transaction. They will show all that. So as you can see, there's, fake validation, because this is just a status, a timeout, as I knew when I clicked the button. It's not because I click a button that something is happening. This is literally, they just put a timer, and then after you click it, it says ready. So you feel you have an illusion of work. And this is how you can trick someone, is you make them think that there's a process going on behind it. This is beautiful. This is a nice way to scam. It's bad, I know, but now how much money they made? We can see the balance as of today. It's at $18,000. And some people are getting scammed every 10 minutes or so. 2 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, that's me. 15 minutes ago, 21 minutes ago, and then every hours we get some people 0.07 Ethereum, $170, $16, $2, $5. It's always the poorest people that are the easiest to scam. It's crazy. It's quite a recent scam. When I check all the people that sent to it, we got this person that lost $2,500, $2,500, and then all those small amounts. But I can see that they did not withdraw the funds yet. So maybe they are rolling the address at different time. They received as well some BNB. That's interesting. Holding by chain is mostly on Ethereum that they scam. The portfolio is growing pretty well. They started on the 4th, so not even a week ago, and they're making banks. They're making good money. Now, probably they run this video in different languages. They have different one, but you see the number of people that send money to it is crazy. It's crazy. And people will just try out and think like, okay, maybe I should just try. Maybe I'm the one who's going to make the money because I saw the video online. So now what's happening in the comments is, of course, there's no bad comments because they can delete the comments and they can block certain words. For example, scam or be careful or all the negative words, they are going to block it in the community tab that they have on their YouTube. And that's exactly the same reason why I'm blocking all those words that attract scams. But those scams are working even better in the YouTube comments. And I actually just showed it in this video. So look at it. You can share this video to some members of your family, your friends or whatever. That's going to help them to not get scammed. And also, don't forget one thing that's going to be important for you is to stay handsome. Ciao. And then the like, the thumbs up, and the subscribe. I also appreciate it if you made it that far.